Hi everybody. Thank you for watching. Today we were working on tomatoes in the greenhouse and I learned some things that I never knew before that made a lot of sense, so I just thought I would share what I learned with all of you so you can grow better tomato plants. Okay, so we're doing a thing called suckering, which means to remove the stems that will suck energy out of the plant. So coming into it, I thought a leaf is like this. Any leaf is a leaf, and any stem is just a stem, and so there's a leaf, a stem, and that's a flower. Which is all true, except in this suckering case, what you want to do is only have one main stem. So on this plant, this right here would be the main, right, leaf move. That's the main stem. So you want the main stem, and then you want leaves coming off. So by a leaf, I mean something like this. So this branch with just leaves coming off it. It just goes straight into one leaf on the end, and then it has leaves branching out. As opposed to a stem, which would be like this thing, which is like a whole new, it's basically a whole new plant sprouting out. So this whole big thing is a stem, and it has, this one is huge, it has flowers on the end too, and then leaves. So I'm going to remove this stem because we don't want it sucking energy from the main plant. Need to set the camera down. Bear with me. Okay, so that's coming off. And you want to be very careful not to nick your main stem, as Terry ensures we don't. Okay, this is another stem that needs to come off. So that's, as you can see, that's what a stem is. So this one has flowers on the end too, as opposed to a leaf, which would be just this part right here with only leaves on it. Okay, so I'm going to look for any more stems. Here's one. They tend to grow right on the top of where a leaf is coming out. So we have leaf, and then I just pulled a stem off. Here's another stem, and there's one right here. So with doing this, it's kind of like pruning your fruit trees, and you do that so that you concentrate all of the plant's energy, so to speak, in just a smaller part. Because if you just let it go, here's another stem, if you just let it go, it'll just produce as many leaves as it wants, and then your fruit, or vegetable, or whatever you're growing, well, fruit in this case, is not going to be as big and juicy and good as if you removed the suckers and let the energy concentrate into those fruit. So we're removing all the suckers so that when these come out, so those were leaves, stems, and then this is a flower. So on the flower part, you see it comes out of the main stem, and there are no leaves on it, as you can see. So that is how you know the difference between a stem and a flower. So I think this one is all done. Looks pretty good. So there you have it, suckering. Basically, keep your main stem and then get rid of any extra stems coming off, and keep all your flowers and keep the leaves. There you have it. Happy suckering, and go and grow yourself some big juicy tomatoes. Bye!